Hello, my name is Quintessa Fouget, and I'd like to thank you for watching my brief demonstration of my web application. Before I get started, I'll tell you a bit about myself. Software development has become a priority for me as I've grown to learn more about what I desire in a career based off my personal interests. I'm a curious person, I'm always constantly learning new things. I love technology, and I have a lot of ideas that I want to realize into something tangible. Previous to Hackbright, I also studied at the Flatiron School, where I learned Ruby and the Rails framework for the back end, and JavaScript with React Redux for the front end, and I also created a few projects using their tech stack. I was also a STEAM teacher at a charter school where I taught a computer science curriculum to children in grades kindergarten through 8th. After that, I was a technology specialist at Wayne State University here in Detroit, Michigan. Within that position, I put on workshops that enable students in the local community to learn new skills in technology, specifically in 3D printing and 3D modeling. However, I also did some technology consulting for patrons who would visit with their personal projects and needed suggestions for technologies to use, possible next steps in their projects, and resources that I could help them access. My interest in technology has always been prominent in my life, and Hackbright has really helped me to solidify my foundational skills in software engineering. Well, that's enough about me. Now I'll show you what I've created. Rejuvenate is a web application that allows users to take charge of their health by serving as a tool to keep track of their daily consumption of detox smoothies. This application is for users that want to hold themselves accountable for smoothie cleanses that they may do for 2 to 3 days every few weeks or months. Users are able to easily sign up for a new account or log into an existing one. Since Rejuvenate is powered by Python for the back end, their data is safely hashed using the Python bcrypt library and can be easily retrieved from the PostgreSQL database. After logging in, users are able to navigate more areas of the web application. I'm using Ginger 2's templating system, which provides a consistent look across every page and also gives me access to template inheritance, which eliminates redundancy. Users are able to start a new cleanse by giving a specific start and end date and a brief description. After a cleanse is created, they are able to immediately see it on the page alongside other cleanses they will create in the future. For creating and retrieving server requests across my entire web application, I use the Flask web framework. Users are able to click on the cleanse they have created and view its details, after which they can create smoothies and add them to their current cleanse. For this process, it was very important for me to be aware of the associations my models had and how I could correctly access them. Users can also log their thoughts and feelings throughout the day for later reflection. After a user has created a smoothie, they can search for an ingredient in the Edamame API and add it to their smoothie. By parsing through the return JSON dictionary from the API, I was able to display specific ingredient information on the page. Users can also connect with each other in the Community tab, leaving encouraging messages to each other. I used Ajax and jQuery to send asynchronous post requests to the server, which allows the page to communicate with the server without having to manually refresh. Well, that's it for my brief demonstration of Rejuvenate. Thanks for watching.